Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming exactly which Nvidia GPU and Windows build you have, because the wrong package breaks things. Once done, make a system restore point and close unnecessary apps so the installer won't conflict. Next, download the matching driver from Nvidia or use GeForce Experience to locate the right release. Pick game ready for gaming or studio for content tools. Make sure you save the installer to an easy folder and keep note of the file name for the next step. You launch the Nvidia installer as administrator to avoid permission issues, then accept the license and proceed. Choose Custom Installation and select Perform a Clean Install. This removes prior driver files and reduces conflicts, which is why I prefer it. Make sure all Nvidia components you need are checked, then install. The installer will replace drivers and shaders. Once it finishes, restart the PC when prompted. After the reboot, open Device Manager to confirm the new driver is active and running. You finalize by opening the Nvidia control panel and checking the reported driver version and preferred GPU settings, and then run a quick game or benchmark to confirm stability. If you see crashes, artifacts, or performance loss, roll back the driver in Device Manager first and test again. One key troubleshooting tip: if rollback fails, use Display Driver Uninstaller in safe mode to remove all Nvidia traces, then reinstall the correct driver cleanly. That usually resolves.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.